Here is a wonderful 2026 Chevrolet Trax. The Chevrolet Trax, the compact SUV that lets you navigate the urban landscape with efficiency and sporty style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, keyless start, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Keep it simple, safe, and fun with the Trax. Drive it today.